Oh no, I have accepted an impossible challenge. I have to create a skincare line for the European market and also for the US and China. This is insane. I have 4 months and the vacations are coming up. How am I going to do it? Who's going to help me?
Don't worry. I've got you covered. First of all, you're gonna need a team of experts at your fingertips 24/7, always available, and just for you. For starters, you're a hell of a formulator. You've always been successful. But you're right, this is a big challenge. And this is exactly what you're going to have with the Echo PLM 4.0 COSMETIC Factory, a game-changing software. Everything will be gathered there. The data, the results, the decisions, absolutely everything.
Okay, that sounds cool.
Oh, it's more than cool. You know, this team already exists. It's not just a dream, and it's a team of artificial intelligences created by Echo Mundo. First, you need an organization expert. No time wasted. You'll need to exchange in real time wherever you are and allow teams to collaborate from anywhere in the world. This is one of your master assets, the AI Echo Project, master of space and time.
I like that. It's so complicated to get teams to collaborate.
You're a great formulator. There's no doubt about that. But are you a toxicologist? No. Are you a regulatory expert? No. So, do your formula tests meet the specifications?
To be honest, it's pretty complicated. Well, it's obvious. I have to ask for help for this. It's not my job, and yet it slows me down a lot.
Now, let me introduce you to the Formula Check AI. This all-knowing expert is incredible. It has a flawless memory. It knows all the worldwide regulations, all the toxicological and ecotoxicological properties of substances and ingredients. Formula Check even understands and evaluates the compliance of cosmetic claims. Also, at each step of your formulation process, it gives you the real-time compliance of your formula worldwide with full explanations about what to adjust in order to achieve compliance in any country. This buys you a ginormous amount of time.
Wow, I'll surprise them with everything I can offer in no time. But I also have this problem with all this documentation that I have to analyze, gather, and provide. It's really time-consuming.
Oh, no worries, because our third AI is EchoJet. It revolutionizes the storage and organization of absolutely every document related to any of your products. On top of that, it also allows you to access any piece of information as soon as you need it, from a sentence, a word even. It knows by heart the content of all the documents. No need to ask a colleague or another department. EchoJet is your complete knowledge repository.
So, no more memory lapses. I know I have this information somewhere. That's cool. This team makes me self-sufficient to create. It's a shame that the sales department doesn't have help like this.
Who says they don't? They too have a super efficient AI, Echo Market. This AI is an expert who has learned everything there is to know about the market launch requirements in each country. It's incredible. You have a product range available? Very simple. You ask Echo Market if you can sell it in China, in Brazil. It immediately tells you what documents you're still missing, what needs to be adapted, how you can register your product, etc. What's more is that it alerts you as soon as there are changes in requirements. With Echo Market, you always know exactly which markets you're ready to place your products in and what gaps you still need to fill. You see, with COSMETIC Factory, you're never walking alone. You're surrounded by the best team of experts the industry has to offer. It wasn't a dream. You were able to make your launch well in time. What a success.